Are you making one of these 5 skincare mistakes? If your skin is not improving, that is to say that one of these 5 reasons that I'm going to give you now may be the reason why your skin is not improving despite having a very good skincare routine. Okay? But if you are experiencing this challenge, don't worry. In today's video, I am going to tell you what to do and how to fix these issues. Hi guys, welcome back to my space. This is Jennifer Chris, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what you are doing that are ruining your skin. Okay? Now, there are some, skincare mistakes that people do without realizing it. You could be a beginner, you could be a novice, you could even, have been doing skincare for a while, but a mistake is a mistake. You may not know what you're doing. So it's very easy, to make such mistakes. I am here to point such mistakes out to you, all right, so that you can stop doing these mistakes and start fixing them as soon as possible so you can have a clear and glowing skin. Let's go right into today's video. Now, the number one mistake that a lot of people do while doing their skincare is over cleansing, double cleansing, triple cleansing. What is it all for? A cleanser should only be for cleaning your face, washing your face. A cleanser, a very good cleanser, should just be able to remove dirt from your face, should be able to remove oil from your face, should be able to remove makeup from your face, should be able to remove sunscreen from your face. Other than that, you are overdoing it. You don't even need so much active ingredients in your cleanser. Just pick the active ingredients that is going to target your skin concern. Better still, you just go for a gentle cleanser. There are a lot of gentle cleansers in the market that you can use. Cleansers with really gentle ingredients, hyaluronic acid. Cleansers with just gentle ingredients that will not strip your skin of its natural oil. If you find yourself over cleansing your face, please stop doing it. The only time you are allowed to double cleanse is when you have so much product on your face. Probably you did so many step skincare and you want to clean it off, or you're wearing makeup. When you're wearing makeup, you can use an oil-based cleanser first of all before using a water-based cleanser. But if your face is clean and you just want to double cleanse, you're stripping your face, your skin off of its natural oil, and that is going to pose as a very big challenge for you. So if you find yourself doing such a thing, you just have to stop it. That is one very simple mistake that people do. They don't realize it, but it's going to cost you a lot. Now, the second expensive mistake you make is that you have so many steps of skincare routine. You have morning routine, you have night routine, you have dry skin routine, and all of that. You have spent your money to buy a whole lot of products, but you do not use sunscreen. You don't use sunscreen. Explain to me how you expect your routine to work. Let me tell you this for free. No matter the skincare routine you're doing, if you are not using sunscreen daily, it will not work. Your skincare routine will only be a waste of time. Now, let me tell you what the UV rays does to the skin. UV rays usually enhance wrinkles on the face. If you're prone to dark spots and hyperpigmentation, the UV rays will enhance this on your skin. That is why it is essential that you must use a sunscreen, SPF 30 and above, every morning. Whether you are going into the sun or you're staying in your house, you must use a sunscreen every morning. If you are not doing this, if you are not practicing this every morning, then your skincare routine will not work because you're not doing it properly. Now, make sure that from today, after watching this video, get yourself a very good sunscreen that will, protect your skin, and start using it. Only then will you see results for everything you've been doing. Now, the third mistake that you may be making without realizing it is using too many skincare products. I know you have the money. I know you have watched lots of videos. I know you have all the products put together, just like me. I have so many products that I'm not using right now. Yeah, it happens to a lot of novice and a lot of beginners. You may be confused on which product to use. You find yourself buying a lot of products. Now I'm here to tell you, you don't have to use 10 layers, 10-step skincare routine before you know that you are building a good routine for yourself. Okay, more is not always better. Build a simple routine, just a simple routine that consists of cleansing, moisturizing, and SPF. You see, these three things I mentioned, they are the most important in your routine. Whatever you are adding to that routine is just, addition. But once you can cleanse your face, you can moisturize, and you use SPF, that is the major product you need on your skin. Anything other than that, you are just overloading your skin, and it will tell. You are overloading your skin, and it will tell. By the time you start using so many products at a time, number one, you will not even know which product is working on your skin. Number two, you will not be able to point the product that is damaging your skin. You will just be confused. So start from building a simple skincare routine. You can start from cleansing, moisturizing, and SPF. Once you do these three, then you can target the particular skin issue you have and introduce one after the other. Okay, stop overloading your skin with so much skincare products. No, that is so wrong. Which brings us to the number 4 mistakes that a lot of people do without realizing it. You don't know your skin type. You don't know your skin type is very wrong. The number 1 thing you should do before even engaging in skincare routine is to know your skin type. That is the only way you can tailor the products that you use. That is the only way you will be able to know the right products to buy to use on your face. You cannot have an oily skin and you are buying products for a dry skin texture. You cannot have a dry skin and you are buying products for a normal skin. That is misplaced priority. You need to know your skin type. If your skin feels tight after bath or after washing, just know that you have a dry skin. If your skin feels oily after washing or after bath, just know you have an oily skin. Know your skin type. That is the most important thing. When I say skin type, I don't mean skin color or complexion. You see a lot of people making the mistakes buying products for, they say this body lotion is good for caramel skin. They say this body lotion is good for fair skin. They say this body lotion is for black people. Who told you so? That is so wrong. That is so wrong. Nobody produces body lotions or skincare products for skin color. Nobody. The products that these white people are using is the same products you're using in Africa. So who told you that companies manufacture products based on skin color? No, they don't. They manufacture products based on your skin type. That is why before you buy any product, look at it, read through. You will see that they have written sensitive skin. If you have a sensitive skin, you have no business using products that are for dry skin or oily skin. Do you understand? So make sure that you know your skin type before going to buy skincare products. Now, the last but not the least of my list is always picking your pimple. You're always touching your face. I'm also guilty of this one. I usually do not have pimple, but each time you see me touching my face all the time, so it leaves a little dark spot and scars here and there. That is not a good practice. If you find yourself always touching your face or always picking your pimple, what you can do is to use a pimple patch, or you can use a dark spot corrector. Do you understand? Let your face breathe. Stop touching your face. That is one way to achieving a clear skin and a glowing skin. Stop picking your pimple all the time. It won't help. It will leave acne scars. It will leave dark spots. And it can also trigger other serious issues much later. So if you can practice not picking your face, it will go a long way. Now, I don't want this video to be too long. There are so many other skincare mistakes that a lot of you out there make without knowing it. And these mistakes are ruining your skincare practice. Okay? If you can go by all of these things I told you, you would discover that your skincare will improve, your skin will improve, you will start glowing, and you will have a clear skin. All right, make sure that you avoid these 5 things I just listed. If you want more of these mistakes that actually ruin your skin, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to come up with a lot more of them, but for now, these are just the basics. Ensure that you go by this list I just gave you. Make sure that you avoid doing these things, and trust me, you will see results. Now, did you find this video helpful? If you did, please drop a comment in the comment section. All right, tell us, what is the skincare mistake that you're always doing? Let us know in the comment section. I'll also be dropping mine in the comment section. You guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. All right, subscribe, turn on all the notification bells so you'll be getting more skincare tips like this every week. I love you guys so much. Bye.